episode of Family Friday, we are going to be doing a DIY cookie kit. Today, I'm going to be introducing my family.
Hey guys, I'm Liam. Don't open the doors. Hey, welcome to my channel. Don't open the door.
And what's your name?
I'm Petey.
So tell them.
I'm Petey, Mom.
In today's episode of Family Friday, we are going to be focusing on a DIY cookie kit.
My mom usually purchases these for holidays or special occasions.
So this kit is surrounded by one of our favorite family foods, pizza.
Are we
These
done?
cookies were especially made for us by Becca from Bake by Day. Let's check out what's in the box.
Cookies!
Yes, three sets of cookies. There you go. You can hold these. Oh, 3 for us, and 3 sets of icings.
I want the blue one.
And 3 different sets of sprinkles. These are the 3 toppings we are going to be applying on our pizza. First, we have cheddar cheese. And second, we have black olives with pineapple and what seems to be like spinach. And third, we have pepperonis, my favorite.
Me too. Pepperoni. Okay, these are my our different color icings. This one is red for sauce. This one is yellow for cheese, and this one is brown for crust.
Who's ready to start decorating pizzas?
Me!
We're gonna go ahead and let these set for a couple hours and then we'll be back. Okay guys, so we're back and we waited a couple hours. This is how the final product looks. So we're going to go ahead and show you which cookies we all made. So I went ahead and made a different kind of pizza. This one is a vegetarian pizza with no pepperonis and black olives and some green spinach. A super cheesy pizza with lots of called cheddar cheese. Excuse me. Then I went ahead and made a pizza with almost every topping that I like on it. So toppings are pineapple, spinach, black olives, pepperoni, and a bit of cheddar cheese.
Hey guys, so I made a pepperoni and cheese pizza and a pineapple and pepperoni pizza. And I made a cheese pizza with sprinkled cheese or cheddar. It's a mommy pizza.
Do that. What does it have on it, Petey?
Pepper. What did it say?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni.
And pineapple.
Pineapple.
And mozzarella cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
Hey guys, so we are going to go ahead and enjoy our pizza cookies and have a pizza night. So I hope you all really enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video for Sassy Saturdays. Like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications and hit that big thumbs up. Always Auti.